Oh, we got a couple of newer people who might not know what the 3 Ps are.
3 Ps? Oh, Liberty Jane. There you go. 3 Ps, Liberty Jane, from the first day. Okay, first of all, I highly recommend whatever city you're in, go into like an uberpeople.net or Facebook group or whatever you have. Find yourself a veteran driver who's willing to mentor you for free. Don't pay money. For free. I found 3 veteran drivers before I started driving. I bought them lunch a month, every week for 4 weeks. And I had them tell me everything they knew. So I bribed them with food, basically. So you can do the same thing. So they told me this, and I'm telling you this. And also this applies to my stock trading. 3 Ps. The first one, patience. Don't accept every garbage shit that they throw at you. This has been going on for 7 years. Second P, position. Where you position yourself will make a huge difference. Meaning, when you're accepting a trip, don't think what that trip is for. That trip is going to make you go to a destination. Think ahead. Have your own algorithm in your head. At that place, at this hour, is it busy? Am I going to get a trip right then and there? Just like the Uber algorithm is doing with Upfront, right? And the third P is planning. Have a plan. If you're living in the suburbs and you can't get into the city center where all the trips are, use scheduled trips on Lyft. Use reserved trips on Uber. Figure out how to get to the city center without doing dead miles. So 3 Ps, patience, position, and planning. If you do these, guarantee you, your income will go up by 30 to 40%. Guaranteed. It's not easy to do, but it can be done. So I apply the same 3 Ps in my stock trading. Patience. Don't jump on everything.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.